Layers of OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. One physical layer, Layer 1. The lowest layer of the OSI reference model is the physical layer. It is responsible for the actual physical connection between the devices. The physical layer contains information in the form of bits. It is responsible for transmitting individual bits from one node to the next. When receiving data, this layer will get the signal received and convert it into zeros and ones and send them to the data link layer, which will put the frame back together. Hub, repeater, modem, cables are physical layer devices. Network layer, data link layer and physical layer are also known as lower layers or hardware layers. 2 Data link layer, DLL, layer 2. The data link layer is responsible for the node-to-node delivery of the message. The main function of this layer is to make sure data transfer is error-free from one node to another. Over the physical layer, when a packet arrives in a network, it is the responsibility of DLL to transmit it to the host using its MAC address. Data link layer is divided into 2 sub-layers. Logical link control, LLC. Media access control, MAC. Packet in data link layer is referred as frame. Data link layer is handled by the NIC, network interface card, and device drivers of host machines. Switch and bridge are data link layer devices. 3 Network layer, layer 3. Network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in different networks. It also takes care of packet routing, i.e. selection of the shortest path to transmit the packet from the number of routes available. The sender and receiver's IP address are placed in the header by the network layer. Segment in network layer is referred as packet. Network layer is implemented by networking devices such as routers. 4 Transport layer, layer 4. Transport layer provides services to application layer and takes services from network layer. The data in the transport layer is referred to as segments. It is responsible for the end-to-end delivery of the complete message. The transport layer also provides the acknowledgement of the successful data transmission and retransmits the data if an error is found. At sender's side, transport layer receives the formatted data from the upper layers, performs segmentation and also implements flow and error control to ensure proper data transmission. Note: the sender need to know the port number associated with the receiver's application. Generally, this destination port number is configured, either by default or manually. At receiver's side, transport layer reads the port number from its header and forwards the data which it has received to the respective application. It also performs sequencing and reassembling of the segmented data. Data in the transport layer is called as segments. Transport